सो हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो आज बहुत दिनों के बाद मैं मुकबांग पे ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ और औरत आ गई मेरी। तो व्हाट इज देयर फॉर टुडे, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन।
वेलकम बैक गाइस। तो बहुत दिनों के बाद मेरे पति देव इज जॉइनिंग मी
यस ऑन मुकबांग। सो
yeah, let me tell you what we have. So this is actually recipe. I'm not going to put it with this video. I'm going to अलग से मैं recipe डालने वाली हूँ. This one is chicken. Chicken with tomato and chilies fry किया है. So you can check the recipe later on. This is my niece's favorite, my sister's recipe. ये मेरे sister का recipe है. Except for the chilies, everything is the same way she used to make. So ये chicken है. And here I have sambal. So sambal is very popular in Malaysian cuisine, Indonesian cuisine. It's like chutney only, chili ka chutney hai. So actually it is not supposed to look like this, but then I didn't have the manual vegetable cutter jo grinder hota hai. I didn't have that, and I don't have a pounding one which is big. इसलिए ऐसा paste हो गया, but nevertheless the taste is good.
okay.
And then we have some salad here. यहाँ पे cucumber और radish है. And I forgot to tell you, यहाँ पे shrimp paste है chilies के साथ, lots of chilies and shrimp paste. And here we have चना दाल का दाल बनाया है मैंने. And this is all the good things in one plate. देखो veggies. So here we have cabbage, bok choy, and squash, chayote squash, carrots, and long-eared beans. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items है यहाँ पे, boys.
Please finish it up.
So we're going to. No, he's also going to eat it.
I am not
He
going
will
to
eat
finish.
it. He's going to eat. He might not finish, but
इतना दिनों के बाद मैं मुकबांग पे बैठा हूँ और वो वेजिटेबल खाऊंगा.
खाना है, मीट भी खाना है, वेजिटेबल भी खाना है. So anyway, yeah, without a buck, let's start eating. I'm quite hungry. इन्होंने तो lunch किया ही नहीं है. So grab your plate and have food with us, guys. Thank you, Lord. I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna try this.
I don't know.
It's spicy.
It looks red color. I don't know it's spicy or no. First thing, or it's just the color.
It's so good.
लगता है राइस थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. So, no.
Guys, you have to check this recipe. Wow.
Amen. In Jesus' name.
Try करो.
Spicy है.
ज़्यादा नहीं. It's okay.
Try to do
It's
so.
really good. No, you can try with anything. It's very good. How is it?
Okay. Good.
How is this? You didn't say it.
It's really good.
Like it?
Yeah.
Spicy.
Nice.
Simple sa recipe. Oh, awesome. That's good. I love it. मेरे को क्या? This sambal is so good.
Peanut है क्या इसमें?
No.
Color कैसे है ये?
It is supposed to be red actually.
So
जो red chili use करना है ना, the fresh red chili, we don't have that. So I used another red chili which is spicy, so I can't put much.
Okay. Color कैसे है ऐसा?
It should be red, and then it is not supposed to be like this. Coarsely grind होना है. Pound करके या फिर manual hand grinder is there, no? उससे करना है.
Manual hand grinder मतलब?
vegetable chopper है ना? उस तरह का.
Don't worry. I have vegetable cutting machine in my office. Buy it. It's just 40,000 rupees. You can cut all the vegetables in that.
You didn't eat this one, Baba? It's your favorite, no? I usually in raw vegetable he eats radish and then cucumber, है ना? I should have added king chili. It would be more spicy. जैसे ये भी कम स्पाइसी नहीं है ना? So good. I am in love with this. This is the first time I'm ever making this one. I've never tried sambal. So Malaysia, Indonesia में ना ये बहुत popular है.
This one? They do it on daily basis or it's just a special dish?
Yeah, it's like daily basis. जैसे मैं चिली का चटनी बनाते हैं ना with dry fish.
Yeah.
Sambal is that only, but they have a different way of making. Ours we just roast it over fire and then pound it, no? For them they use oil. Sometimes they make with shrimp paste, sometimes they make without shrimp paste. But almost what we eat and all, no, it's so similar. Take this. I didn't try this one. How is it?
अच्छा.
What? Hello.
I'm done.
Huh?
No
You're
rice.
done? I'm really enjoying this.
Finish it up.
Yeah.
I'll challenge you.
चैलेंज से याद आया,
करो.
स्पाइसी नूडल्स चैलेंज करना है.
करेंगे. But I have already now. Next day we'll do it.
You don't have to eat everything. We have to see whether you can handle it or not.
Handling is not the important. The important part is finishing it. We should not waste it.
And you can always finish it.
So whenever I have holiday, no?
No. We'll do it.
Ha.
Eating vegetables can really fill your stomach. Oh. Wow. Next time I have to do with the vegetable cut up. And I have to get a red chili, long one. So, बहुत दिनों के बाद साथ बैठे हैं and we didn't do shout out. So we'll read just a few comments that we were not able to do. Sorry. So this is from the Mar food mukbang that we did. There is someone called Spirit of Fire. I don't know who is this. So anyway, he or she says, "Idin me nang ni pani dream couple." So you complement one another, both of you. So you're like my dream couple, it seems.
Oh.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then let's read from. Oh, we have quite new. Like there is one person called Himanshu Films and Talks. Very beautiful video. Personally, I loved it. Please keep creating content like this and keep shining on YouTube. My best wishes. So thank you so much, Himanshu. Means a lot. Yeah, we will try to create whenever we travel. Yeah, that is what we are planning to do. We're going to create it. So thank you so much. And then another one says Prohodaction. Bravo, superb, take care. And Joel Gaming says, next video talk in Kannada. So it must be a Kannada person. Okay, we'll read from this one where we spend time in Pune with my cousins. Dika Darlong. This is brother Dika Uti's brother, I think. He says, if I were in place of Jesus and Satan tempt me with all those food after 40 days of starvation, we would all be rotting in hell right now. That's a good one, Upa. Yeah, it was really yummy. Really yummy. Auntie Kungpui says, ko apo zoka ninanswag o te hatuyanti tsokpatan te. Like it looks like you are in our village, no? The way you guys are cooking and your whatever you're cooking also it looks very spicy. So thank you so much guys for commenting. Please continue to comment on our videos. It means a lot. We love reading your comments. You're done or what?
I'm already dead to China.
So yeah, we're done.
I'm already dead to China. Finish.
So that was a really good meal. Are you satisfied?
Yes. Very much. Very much. Let me have one last bite
One last bite.
before I finish.
Yes, you can do it.
Not bad.
So yeah,
You're
Thank you,
proud to be
guys.
my wife. I know.
you are proud to be you. I am proud to be. You should be proud that I am your wife.
I know you are proud to be my wife. I know.
So
Please comment and tell if it is yes or no.
Gee. चलो
आज का दिन
let's end. भी ज़्यादा बात मत करो.
you are
Let's end the
doing.
vlog.
Please.
So yeah, thank you guys once again so much for watching. So this was just a simple meal once again. कुछ भी खास नहीं था. I think we really enjoyed it. I personally enjoyed these vegetables. देखो सब कुछ मैंने ही तो खाया है, इन्होंने तो कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. Like I ate almost half of it. So I might still be eating. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. As I have mentioned earlier, the recipes will be uploaded later on. Iska recipe or iska. So I'm going to upload that. Please do stay tuned and do watch it and like it and share it and do comment. Please share your thoughts with us. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you once again for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.